Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
One of the biggest advantages of trading futures is the potential of leverage. Leverage allows you to take bigger position in trades of your choice on top of your own capital. CoinDCX futures में आपको up to 20x leverage मिलता है for all your trades. अपने desired leverage को choose करने के लिए selected pair के order page पर जाइए. After that, select the leverage option and scroll the button to your desired leverage amount. The lowest allowed leverage is 1x while the highest being up to 20x on a few pairs. आपको जो liquidation price यहाँ दिख रही है, ये वही price है जिस पर आपके orders automatically exit हो जाएंगे. ये प्राइस भी आपके लेवरेज अमाउंट पर डिपेंड करती है. बट प्लीज रिमेंबर, as amazing as leverage is, a trader must always be mindful and well researched while applying leverage. So, make use of leverage wisely and start trading futures on CoinDCX today.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.